must always protect and promote our physical king, mental king, andyan na yung chess. And the most important of all, our spiritual king. Yan ang pinaka-importante.
So if you're asking me, I want you to know, when my time comes, forget the one that I've done. Help me leave behind some reasons to be left, and don't resent me. And when you're feeling empty, keep me in your memory. Leave out all the rest. Leave out all the rest.
Kahampang sa chess, then try to apply it in life. Okay? Para makita nila nga ang mga chess players, hindi lang good moves ang ginapangita sa chessboard, kung hindi, good moves din. Makita nila nga ang mga chess players, good moves man ang ginahimo sa ila mga buhi. So, ipakita naton nga kita mga chess players, ginahimo naton ang good moves, hindi lang sa chess, but most especially in life.